You see, when we think about health, we often think of the usual nutrition, exercise, maybe even a little self-care. But let me tell you, there's something humble lurking in your kitchen that can work wonders for your lox-an onion. Yes, that's right, the very same onion you might slice for your salad or saute for a meal. This little bulb is rich in sulfur, a key ingredient that helps bolster collagen production, which in turn fuels the creation of healthy skin cells and, most importantly, hair growth. But that's not all. Inside this unassuming vegetable is an antioxidant enzyme known as catalase, which works hard to nourish your hair follicles. It helps fend off pesky issues like scalp infections and dandruff. Now, how can you harness this power? Well, it's a simple process. First, peel an onion and chop it into pieces. Blend those bits and then strain the mixture through a cotton cloth to extract the juice. This is where the magic happens. Apply the juice directly to your scalp with your fingers or a cotton pad, giving those roots a good massage. Let it sit for about 30 to 40 minutes, then rinse with a gentle shampoo. You can repeat this 2 to 4 times a week. But remember, fresh onion juice is key. Red onions are particularly potent, packing in even more sulfur and the ability to combat bacteria and fungus. But before you dive into this natural remedy, conduct a patch test to ensure you're not allergic to onions. If you have a history of allergies or skin conditions like psoriasis or eczema, it's best to steer clear. And let's not forget that while onion juice is great, a holistic approach is necessary for healthy hair. A balanced diet, regular scalp massages, and adequate sleep play pivotal roles in hair health too. Avoid harsh chemicals and minimize heat styling, and make time for a little exercise. So there you have it, a simple yet effective natural solution to bolster your hair health, all while enjoying the many benefits of nature. That's the beauty of it. Sometimes the simplest things can yield the greatest results. And now you know the complete story.